Did you know that you can use a while loop instead of the range? Let me show you how. So here's the range. You can select a variable, then you can iterate through that range. Let's say I want to iterate from 1 to 10. I give it a range. Then I want to add all the numbers, all the natural numbers, starting from 1 to 10. Now I want to print that number as well. So here I get 55. So with the while loop, you set up a variable again. You set n. N means the number of the numbers. So we write this logic that if n is equal to or lesser than 10, then we'll be running this loop, and if it's more than 10, then it will stop the loop. Then what we do is we sum up everything starting from 1 to 10, and every time I sum everything up, I want to increase the n variable by 1. I want to increment that. So what it does is that it does something like that: 1, 2, 3, 4. So it traces the value of n. So we print the final result, and as you can see, you get the same result.